In number 11, select a substance whose bonding involves the formation of ions. Ammonia is a molecule, hydrogen a molecule, nitrogen gas a molecule, sodium chloride, yes, it is an ionic compound. 12. Why do farmers apply fertilizers to their farms? To make the soil neutral? No. To make the soil acidic? No. To increase plant nutrients? Yes, fertilizers mostly contained soluble nitrogenous compounds, which contain especially the main ingredient, nitrogen, which the plants needs the most. In number 13, determine the empirical formula of the compound when 0.6 grams of carbon combines with 1.6 grams of sulfur. So we have carbon and we have sulfur. The mass of carbon is 0.6, that of sulfur is 1.6. So we get the moles, divide the mass of carbon by 12, its relative atomic mass, and that of sulfur by 32, its relative atomic mass. 0.05, here 0.05. So the simplest ratio of the moles is 1:1, corresponding to CS. In number 14, which of the following statements best describes a mixture? As a fixed composition, it can be separated by chemical means, it melts at a fixed temperature, it can be separated by physical means. Yes, that is the characteristic of a mixture. For example, air. Air is a mixture whose components can be separated by physical means. In number 15, identify the products formed when solid magnesium nitrate is strongly heated. So the characteristics of group 2 nitrates is that once they are heated, they decompose to the corresponding oxide, oxygen, and nitrogen dioxide gas, and that corresponds to B. Number 16, cesium, Cs, and sodium are found in group 1 of the periodic table. Write the formula of the oxide of cesium. Cesium being in group 1 has a valency of 1. Oxygen in group 6 has a valency of 2. So we expect the formula to be CS2O, and that corresponds to A. In number 17, an organic liquid, W, has no effect on litmus. On addition of a few crystals of phosphorus pentachloride to the liquid, white fumes are evolved. W could be, so this specific reaction where white fumes are produced upon addition of phosphorus pentachloride is characteristic of alcohols. In the first compound, we have ethene, which is not an alcohol. We have methoxymethane, which is an ether. And in C, we have ethanol. Yes, it's an alcohol. So C is the correct option. And D, of course, is chloroethane. In number 18, which of the following graphs best represents the change in concentration of AB with time for the reaction A plus B giving AB? So normally in this reaction, we are looking at the rate at which the product AB is being produced. Usually at the beginning of the reaction, the rate increases rapidly and then begins to slow down, so that at some point the rate of reaction will stabilize and become constant. And so we expect T to be the correct option. Number 19. Which of the following processes does not involve the large-scale use of limestone? A. The making of quicklime. B. Iron extraction. C. Cement manufacture. D. Soap making. Yes, but the first three options make large-scale use of limestone. In number 20, which of the following natural processes is catalyzed by light? Of course, it is photosynthesis. In number 21, when 2.0 gram each of powdered diamond and graphite are burnt in excess air, A. Diamond produces more carbon dioxide than graphite. No. B. Graphite produces more carbon dioxide than diamond. No. C. Both will produce an equal volume of carbon dioxide. Yes. The reason is that diamond and graphite are allotropes of the same element, carbon. and we expect that if equal amounts of each are burnt in excess oxygen, carbon dioxide should be produced as the only compound